drone.
If
Yeah, if it will have enough, if you will have enough time. Okay. So let's see. So guys, here we go. We will show you how we take videos for those very nice travel places where the travel craze mania goes. Yeah. So what are you preparing?
I'm flying,
Okay.
but we are in a hurry.
Yeah. So have you tried? In which places have you tried flying this drone before already?
In Saraburi.
Saraburi.
In I forgot.
Okay. Alright, so I'll turn this down and then, okay, so demonstrate. How do you do that?
I'm gonna open the wings of the drone
Okay.
and
The wind is, I think it's
it's
quite
really
strong.
Quite strong, but
Yeah.
actually, and then I will go there on the other
Okay,
side.
so here we go. Right. Travel Craze Mania here. And this is Kablugs TV. Okay, so right here, we're at Pathumthani, the Pine Resort. Okay, and we're preparing for a takeoff right here. Okay, guys, so here we go. All right, Travel Craze Mania makes these videos using this drone. There you go. The building, has it detected the building? Or, oh yeah, here we go. Okay, I'll focus that. There we go. So let's, hi. All right, we're flying out Travel Craze Mania. Got the speed low. Okay.
Hi.
Hi, Travel Craze Mania. Travel Craze Mania and Kablugs TV right here. Oh, there it flies. It goes up there.
be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.
So mga ka-vlogs, ayan. Ito yung dinidemo namin na kung paano kumuha ng aerial view using a drone. So this is Travel Craze Mania. You get to visit the vlog and find out the beautiful places she has traveled already in Bangkok. Right? And we are the Uprising Travel, the Ka-Vlogs TV featuring activities you want to see daily. Okay. There you go. So how was the experience here in Pathumthani? Travel Craze Mania? How's the what's the name of your drone?
Mavic Air 2.
Mavic Air 2. Okay, yeah, bye-bye. Okay. Okay. So we had a successful flight here at the Pine Resort. Okay, it's coming down, it's coming down. Mavic. What's that again? Oh yeah. You bring it down now. Bring it down. The birds are trying to. They thought it's a bird. They thought it's a bird, so they wanna go near it. Look, it's attracting the birds. Okay, feature a little bit closer to us, and then let's do the extra. There it comes. Okay, so extra. Let's do the extra. Okay, so there you have it, guys. The flight of the Mavic. What's it again? Mavic Air 2. Okay, and this is Travel Kenya. Okay. Hey! Bye bye, Ka-Vlogs. Okay. Okay, sige. Okay. Alright, okay, that. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Up. Okay. Successful landing. Cannot? Okay, wait. Oh, bye. Kanya kita rin dito ngayon. Okay, sensor. So that must be sensor. Okay. Bring her down. Now. Okay, that's it. It's going down. Okay, slowly. Bye. Vlogs TV, Arl's Reviewer Philippines, Travel Craze Mania, Pathumthani, Thailand. Okay, there you go. Very nice. Well, thank you for the experience. This is my first time really flying this thing. Okay. Okay. Okay, so here's a brief
This
demonstration.
one, it's to go down. The
Okay.
drone, and this is going up.
Okay, so that's it.
So that's
Goes up a
going
little bit.
down.
That's
And
going
then
down.
if you want
All right.
To move
Sidewards.
sideward and left and right.
Okay.
And this is to move the drone.
Right. Wow,
And
very nice.
You go up, you're gonna go that way.
Okay.
And then,
All right. So
other
they're
side.
actually doing a construction work right here.
yeah, and
Okay.
then going up is for the drone to...
Wow. Here it
Okay.
comes now. Okay. And let's catch it. Going down now. Okay. Oh, I forgot my focus. Mavic Air 2 of Travel Craze Mania. And
Yay!
come. Okay, the flight. Okay, there you go. Very nice. Okay. Okay. Turn off mo. Okay.
I'll turn up.
I turn off. Okay. So there it is. Guys, how do you turn it off? Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Go down.
Okay, land. Ay, nasa ni Wilson. Okay.